Due to high winds in the Gangneung area today, all activities in the common domain of the Gangneung Olympic Park have been temporarily suspended to ensure the safety of all personnel. Spectators are being encouraged to stay indoors, and general admission to the park has been suspended for the remainder of the day. Venue media centers that are in temporary structures are also closed until the high winds subside, with media continuing to work from the press tribune areas. Precautionary measures are being taken as safety remains a paramount priority for the Pyeongchang 2018 Games. We have alpine skiing and biathlon events that have been postponed to a later date. Forecasts predict that winds will subside from this tonight, and moderate weather will continue for the next few days.